Unpaid rent is one of the biggest headaches a landlord can face, and how you handle it matters. Do it wrong, and you can lose time, money, or even a case in court. Do it right, and you protect your property and your income. I'm Preston Chute from Chicago North Keyrenter, and we help landlords across the North Side and the North Shore, Wrigleyville, Lakeview, Glenview, Northbrook, and beyond, handle exactly these kinds of situations. Let's walk through what to do step by step. Step number 1, check your lease and grace period. First, confirm rent is actually late. Most leases set rent due on the 1st, but some build in a short grace period. Check yours. And if the due date lands on a weekend or holiday, rent is usually considered on time the next business day. Know your exact date before you do anything else. Step 2, send a friendly reminder. Not every single late payment is a problem tenant. Sometimes people just forget or a check got delayed. For a first-time slip, a quick text, email, or call keeps the relationship good and often solves it on the spot. But if there's a repeat offender, skip the reminder and move straight to the formal steps. Step number 3, send a written notice and document everything. Before any legal action, put it in writing. Double-check your records to confirm what's actually owed. Then send the tenant a clear written notice stating the overdue amount and any late fees. Keep a copy of everything: texts, emails, letters, payment records. In Illinois, your documentation is what wins or loses a case later. Step number 4, serve the 5-day notice. If rent still isn't paid, it's time for the formal step. In Illinois, that's the 5-day notice to pay or quit. It gives the tenant 5 days to pay in full or move out. There's a few things to get right here. Serve it properly, in person, by mail, or another legally accepted method, and document how and when you delivered it. If your rental is in the city of Chicago, like Wrigleyville or Lakeview, you're required to attach a summary of tenant rights under the Chicago ordinance to that notice. If you've got a co-signer on the lease, include them as well. Getting the notice and delivery right is critical. A technical mistake here can get your case thrown out and force you to start all over. Quick word before the last step. This is exactly the kind of thing we handle at Chicago North Keyrenter. A good property manager prevents most of these problems before they start through careful tenant screening, enforcing lease terms, and staying on top of rent collection so you're not the one chasing payments. If you own a rental on the North Side or North Shore, reach out to us at KeyrenterChicagoNorth.com and let's talk. Step number 5, move forward with eviction if necessary. If the 5 days pass and the tenant hasn't paid or left, don't stall. File for eviction. Here's the hard truth. If you threaten to evict but never follow through, tenants learn that they can take advantage of you. In Illinois, you have to go through the court. You can never change the locks, shut off utilities, or remove their belongings yourself. That's illegal and it'll cost you. Work with an attorney to file correctly and move forward. Every delay just costs you more. The bottom line, follow the right process, document everything, and you'll protect your property and regain control of your unit. One important note, this video is a general overview for education only. Laws change and your situation may be different, so this is not legal advice. Always check with a licensed Illinois attorney before you act. If this helped, hit like and subscribe down below for more landlord tips, and I want to hear from you guys. Have you dealt with any non-paying tenants? Drop your story in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.